Bandh. So let's go across now to Uma Sudhir, who joins us from Hyderabad, where the Telangana Rashtra Samiti is joining the Bharat Bandh today. And Uma, ministers are actually going to be blocking national highways. Bring us all the details.
Yes, indeed, Gargi. The ministers have all been given instructions that they must be part of this Bharat Bandh, for which Chief Minister KCR has said that we must stand with the farmers, because he believes that with these farm laws, the farm sector is being handed over to the corporates. There are also specific issues in Telangana that we are talking about, that they believe that a huge number of, the tenant farmers are not going to be recognized as farmers, and that those people will all turn into farm labor. Those are the issues, of course, but the politics of it, yes, one, all the ministers will be at the highways blocking traffic. Shops have been told that they must open about 2 hours late, just to express their protest, to their support to this particular bandh that you're talking about. And we're going to be seeing somebody like KT Ramarao once again on the Bengaluru highway. That starts at around 10 or 11 in the morning. That's when he will be coming there. And the idea is to showcase to the centre what the TRS had in fact opposed in Parliament, also these farm laws. Exams at the Osmania University and the Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University at Hyderabad have been postponed because of the bandh that's happening today. The people who are to go to the airport, traffic advisories have been issued about avoiding the PV Narasimha Rao expressway and instead taking the outer ring road and going along there. There are two other political points that I must make. That just recently we have had on the 4th of December the results coming out, which showed that Hyderabad in a sense was being taken over by the BJP. They had lost a lot of voter base to the BJP, so much so that both the BJP and the TRS are almost neck and neck in Hyderabad, and therefore for the TRS it is very important to consolidate their rural base. And that is one reason somebody like Mr. KT Ramarao, who's seen a suave and IT savvy, and someone who is quite urban in many ways, he's also going to be part of this farmers bandh to show that they are standing along with the farmers in their interest. Of course, the Chief Minister has made other announcements as well, including release of what is called the investment allowance Raitu Bandhu that will happen on the 27th of December. So it's an reach out to the farmers, telling them that the BJP will not protect your interests and we are here to protect you. Mr. Harish Rao, who is the finance minister, also calling these as black laws. On the other hand, you have the Congress, which is very, very, of course, weakened, and the left parties, of course, supporting the bandh, as they have already said in their statement. But the BJP calling this Sarkari bandh as in many senses a joke, because they say that in all these years, the TRS never allowed any of the protests to take place here, and whoever was protesting would be put under house arrest early hours, such that the protest does not succeed. And in this case, the ministers themselves coming out and sitting on this protest, that's something that the state BJP, which is now very, very aggressive, has condemned. There is also one person who's in fact gone to court. He's a BJP supporter and he has gone to court against the call for a bandh given by KT Ramarao and others. Back to you.